Congratulations, you've done it. You've achieved your main goal, that one milestone you've been working so hard to reach. But now what? What's the next step? In this video, we'll break down exactly what you should do after achieving your goal to ensure you keep moving forward. Step 1. Reflect and celebrate. You've earned this moment, so take the time to truly acknowledge your success. Reflect on the journey. What did you learn? What challenges did you overcome? And most importantly, how does this achievement make you feel? Celebrating your success is crucial for maintaining motivation and appreciating your hard work. Step 2. Analyze your achievement. Now that the excitement has settled, take a closer look at how you achieved your goal. What strategies worked? What could have been done differently? This analysis will provide valuable insights that can help you with future goals and make your processes even more efficient. Step 3. Set new goals. With one goal accomplished, it's time to look ahead. Setting new goals keeps you growing and gives you a fresh purpose. Start by asking yourself, what's next? Maybe it's time to build on your success or explore a completely new area. The key is to keep challenging yourself and moving forward. Step 4. Create an action plan. Once you've set your new goals, outline the steps you'll need to take to achieve them. This plan should include timelines, resources you'll need, and potential obstacles. Having a clear, actionable roadmap will keep you focused and on track. Step 5. Stay flexible and adapt. Life is unpredictable, and so are the paths to your goals. Be prepared to adjust your plans as you go. Flexibility allows you to handle setbacks without losing momentum and to take advantage of new opportunities as they arise. And a final tip, keep your motivation high. Stay connected to your why, the reason you set your goals in the first place. Whether it's through daily affirmations, accountability partners, or simply reminding yourself of past successes, keeping your motivation strong is key to achieving your future goals. So what are you waiting for? You've achieved your main goal. Now it's time to use that momentum to conquer the next one. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Keep moving forward, stay focused, and keep growing. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with others who might need some inspiration.